Hi, my name is Tim Clay. I'm a senior here at the University of Central Arkansas, and I'm a part of Dr. Bedner's COM 4130 Communication Practicum course. I'm in a group with Taylor Dunn, Mason Willett, and Nathan Martin. We compiled all of our research into a thesis titled All Voices Matter, a Co-Cultural Analysis of Politics on Campus. As we went about our research, we conducted it using Mark Orbe's co-cultural theoretical framework, which was used to analyze communication orientations and strategies that could be used in the marginalized population. It's important to note that discussions inside and outside of the classrooms are becoming more inherently politically driven. Learning and understanding how college students interact with their peers in this highly sensitive political climate is essential to reforming the communication standards within those learning institutions. Colleges, specifically in terms of professors' political alignment, have become increasingly liberal over the past couple years, and the past couple decades as well. So with this information, we sought out to answer two research questions which are listed right here. The first being, what communication strategies do students enrolled in universities use to communicate with their peers and professors when politics are discussed in class? The second research question being, what communication strategies do students employ to hide their political views in a classroom where there is a professor who promotes a specific political ideology? The method that we used is called the phenomenological approach, which focuses on the commonality of lived experiences. We interviewed 10 individuals, 4 of those being females and the rest being males, who attended a mid-sized university whose identities are left to be confidential. Those interviews went for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, were recorded, and then shortly transcribed right after. The results that were displayed by conservative students produced a common theme of uncomfortability and another theme of silencing themselves but still listening when political discourse was the topic of discussion in class. Like conservative students, liberal students also had a sense of uncomfortability to speak. However, they exerted a different theme, and that theme was the act of tuning out. After examining the results of the themes, we were able to deduce the data into 2 themes, one being non-assertive assimilation and the other being non-assertive separation. To briefly explain the non-assertive assimilation theme in light of our findings, which 83% of the conservative students fit into, is that there's the desire not to engage in discussions of political discourse because there's the possibility of going against one's viewpoints. As far as non-assertive separation is concerned, which 75% of the liberal students had fit into, is that one would go about avoiding the conversation completely, just so that the potential of feeling belittled would be lessened. While political discourse is believed not to affect one's learning, it's made clear that uncomfortability is left at the discussion of political discourse's arousal. This is important to further widen the scope of what we should understand of student interactions. Determining professor strategies can assist in building a more welcoming environment for student and faculty alike who are reluctant to share their own views. Thank you.